This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask holder using the Stampin' Up! Dandelion Wishes stamp set. Not only is it quick and easy, but it also makes a nice gift in the time of the coronavirus. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my face mask holder. When I untie the ribbon, it opens like this. Inside it says Sending Well Wishes, and then these two flaps pop down, and there's your face mask. This is a stamp set that we're going to be using. It's called Dandelion Wishes. It's in the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog 2020, and you have some dandelions, and it has 3 different sentiments. Sending well wishes your way, wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness, and I made a wish and you came true. We're going to start with a piece of Magenta Madness cardstock. This is 8 by 8. And then what I've done is I've scored this at 3 3/4 and 4 1/4. Then I turn it and I score it at 3 7/8 and 4 1/8. Now what I'm going to do is take my scissors and I'm going to cut up to this middle section. We're just going to cut this piece off, and this is what you should have. Now I'm going to take the detailed trio punch and I'm going to round off each one of my corners. Do that one again. Do this one more time. If you don't put it in all the way, it clips it. All right. Now that all of my corners are rounded, I've already used a bone folder to go over the square lines, so this will close like this. And notice how it makes a little pocket here. So we're going to decorate. All right. I have a piece of Flowers for Every Season 6x6 designer series paper. I love the colors in this, and it shows off the new Stampin' Up! In colors, Magenta Madness and Bumblebee. So right here, I'm going to take some adhesive. I'm just going to add this to the front. Then on top of that, I have a piece of Bumblebee cardstock. This is 3 by 3. Adding this to the top, and I'm centering it. Now the next piece that we're going to add is a piece of Whisper White, and we're going to stamp on this. This is where the dandelions will be. I have some Magenta Madness ink. And what I like to do sometimes is when it's a big stamp, I like to turn my ink pad over and tap on top of it. That way I make sure the image is inked up very well. Alright, let's add our dandelions. Okay, now I want to use Stampin' Dimensionals just to pop this up a little bit. I usually come in each of the corners, get this in the middle. Now we're going to add this on top. And you know what? I made a little boo-boo because I forgot to add my ribbon. So I'm just going to peel this up carefully. There we go. All right, let's close this. And then I have a piece of magenta ribbon. Again, this is one of the new in colors. I'm going to wrap this around. And then to secure it, I'll be using a piece of tearing tape. All you need is a little piece. So I'm just going to put this in the center. Add my ribbon on top. Swing this back around. Add one more piece of tearing tape. Right. Now we can go back and add our image on top of the dandelions. I want to make sure this is centered. Okay, I'm going to go to the inside for a few minutes. And on the inside, I'm going to add another piece of Bumblebee. This is 3.5 by 3.5. This is just going to go right on the inside. And I have another piece of Whisper White that is 3.25 by 3.25. And what I'm going to do is stamp that with our sentiment from the stamp set, Sending Well Wishes Your Way. And I have seemed to misplace my stamp. Oh, here it is. All right, have it a moment here. Okay, I'm getting right here in the center. And I'm going to come back in and add some more adhesive. Just layer this on top. All right, now our mask will fit right here on the inside. I'm going to fold this up, close it like so, and then I will tie it in a bow. going to trim off those edges. Now to finish it off, in the center of the dandelions, I'm going to add some rhinestone basic jewels. One here, one here, and one here. And then I'm going to use the So Sentimental stamp set, and it has coordinating stitch so sweetly dies. I'm using the 4U, and I'm using the smaller die in this set. And I've already stamped this in Bumblebee ink and die cut it out. So I'm just going to add a little dimensional on the back. Place this in the center. And there you have it. A face mask holder that you can give as a gift. See how quick and easy that was? Here's my other one. I'll go back and tie the ribbon. And I like this little project because you can use this, you can use multiple designs on the front and inside. If you like my projects, please visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, let's see here. There we go. And there we have it. Face mask holders. Thank you for stopping by. Happy stamping, and I hope you try this yourself. Bye-bye.